Hey guys, this is a 5-month update about 150 days of wear on my Rogue Territory Indigo Selvedge Canvas Work Shirt. No washes or soaks yet. Here's some up-close shots of the honeycombs on the arms in natural sunlight outdoors. The fades are coming in nicely in this bright electric blue color. The contrast is really starting to pop on this shirt. Some fading along the armpit area. You can see the outline of my phone on the pocket. Some stacking fades on the cuff area. Here's the pen pocket fading. I keep a black Sharpie in there. Some more armpit fading on the other arm, as well as the fading from the honeycombs.
Ooh, I like this one, Rex.
Some more electric blue fades on the edges of the collar. Some more fading on the edges of the seams of the buttonholes.
Ooh, I like this one, Rex.
Here's a look at the back. The elbow fades are starting to pop nicely. The fades on the cuffs and stacks coming out really sick. Here's a side-by-side comparison at 3 months and at 5 months of wear. Sorry I didn't snap photos at 3 months, so I used screenshots for my 3-month video update. And here's a look on body.
Purchase your beats today. Ooh, I like this one, Rex.
Here's some shots at another angle.
Purchase your beats today.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.